wonderful. We've been able to do that. And so after that, I think the next thing we have to do is okay, let's quickly learn how to make words bold, italic, and underline words. And to do that, all we have to do is to make use of these tags, the bold tag. Let's copy it and then bring it back here, or we just put it in front of this in front of the list. We cut this one, put it at the back of the list, and then we quickly go to the italic tag also. This is the italic tag or indent tag. We copy it, come back here, and then apply it to these guys down here, and then cut and then paste. Okay, so let's quickly do something about underline also. Let's put underline here, the U tag, the underline tag. This is it here. Copy it, bring it down up here. We want you to underline the articles, reviews, something. So we quickly put it here. We copy, right click, you cut, and then you come down here, and then you right click and you paste. Now everything we've done just now, we're gonna see it right there in our web page by the time we go visit it. You can see these things are plain. So with what we did just now, we want to underline this. By the time I refresh it, all these ones are going to be underlined, these guys are going to be bold, and these guys are going to be italicized. Let's do that. You can see that now. So all these guys have been underlined here, and this is when we look at our, this is where we put our underline tag. So we have them underlined. This is where we put our bold tag, and this is where we put our italic tag. So you can actually put underline, bold tag. You can actually put all those things together to get exactly what you want. So after that, I think the next thing we have to do is to create links. So the first thing for us to create links now, maybe for us to create other web pages. So we want to link one particular web page to the other. This is what we have to do. We just go ahead to we open another notepad, and as we open another notepad, or to make it easier, instead of opening another, to make it easier, what we just have to do is we save this notepad, and then we close it, and then we come to our file, and what we do is we simply copy and paste another copy. So you can see we have index and we have index copy. So we now rename this index copy as about us, and we enter. So it means about us now is also a web page. If you click on it, you can see it opens the same thing, and for us to quickly know it is the about us page, so we just say about. We go to the title page. Remember we talked about the title of the header, so at in video 3, sorry. So about our training course. So we do that, and then by the time we do that, we save it, and then we can quickly change some things here. Maybe the body background color, we can change it to blue or green, so that we'll be able to differentiate. The table color, that is the first table color, we can change it to white. Okay, now we can actually change the header. You can change the header to something else. All you have to do is just look at the images and then look for another header, and all you have to do is you copy this. Now click on rename, you copy bring it out here, and you save. Okay, so this is a JPG format, file format, so we won't make any mistake. So once we do that, let's quickly see what we've done. Anyway, let's see what we've done, and then to see it, we just have to go back and right click and say open with Firefox, and this is what we've done. We've been able to create another page. This is the about us page. You can see it up here, about us.html, while this one is index.html. so this about us, and this is you can see up here, you can see this is where we have about our training course. That is the title which I've changed. So, and the images, beautiful images. Now with this, now what we want to do is we quickly want to change the images within this particular. I want to remove this and put something else, and so let me go back to the code. I created the about us page, and look for the image, image build.jpg, and go back, look into our images file, and look for something we want to be there. Okay, let's put our logo.png. okay, just type in logo.png. that's all. We save it, and let's quickly check it out. You can see now that we have something different here, logo, and let's go to our Microsoft Word document, where we are bringing out the things we want to put on our website. So just control copy, and then we'll come back here, and we look at where we have and then we'll paste. Now we can paste it. So to make this faster, since we pasted it in one place, to make it faster, we can just cut them down, so that I'll be able to quickly see where each paragraph stops, and we'll copy each paragraph and we'll place it where we want the other paragraphs to start, something like that, just like the way we did the first one. So now the first thing we are going to do here is instructions 1, 2, and then we copy this one, copy it, or we do this. We quickly create a paragraph tag. Paragraph ends here, and between the first paragraph we want there to be a space here. So what we just do is we create a break tag, and that break ends here. It's still within the same paragraph, but the words will actually break down from that particular place. Then I think we could easily delete these ones, delete these guys here. Since we already know how to do those things, I think we could delete them. Let's delete these guys here. Okay, now we stop that, and then we quickly create another paragraph here, paragraph 2, and it ends here. For us not to get confused, because you could see I'm actually trying to space each of these words. I'm spacing them so that it will be easier for you to be able to figure out. Although you are going to be having the entirety of this worksheet and everything alongside with the training video with this course, everything comes along with the course, so that you'll be able to look at what I did and how I did it and how it looks like in the PDF, or how it looks like in the notepad, so that you'll be able to just open this same notepad and do some tweaking, and then see how far it goes. So quickly do this. Don't want this to really take our time, but I think we have to do it properly. that is break, and you copy this and we'll put it at the front here, break. And I think that is all, and we can save and quickly go check out what we just did. Voila! You see now, we've changed the information, and we've been able to do something meaningful. Now I want to change this instruction. I want to make it big, and maybe probably remove this how to make PDF, whatever. So let's quickly go back there and look for it. Remove this H1 here, put it here, move